What's up everyone, it's Sound Guy here with another test video. Today I'll be testing the Logitech USB headset H390. It's got 4 stars on Amazon. I'm wearing the headset now, so let's do a couple tests and I'll tell you what I think. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. Pa 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 pa. Ba 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 ba. Overall, I think the headset sounds nice for music, crystal clear, but the mic is just too quiet. Right here on the sound bar right here, when I talk, it's like down here. I like to see it right about right here. And there ain't no mic boost on the thing. It's 100%, so you have to deal with the quiet mic. But other than that, thanks for watching. Until next time.